Try this. That one's crazy for your back. You feel it? It's crazy, man. This is beautiful. Woo! Crazy. Woo, that thing make your thing crazy. Bobby splashing it everywhere. It feel good though. Definitely feels good. Good. This definitely feels good. You wanna try this one, Quan? This feels good. Come to this one. This is feel good on my hand now. Yeah. Yeah, that feel good, right, Quan? Yeah, that feel good. Like a waterfall on you. Beautiful. You have to stand with your leg under there. This will help your leg. Yeah, remember the Jamaican dollars. 1,000 Jamaican dollars is like $10 in American money. So their money is way devalued, way more devalued than American money. This is $5,000 in Jamaican money. You don't supposed to wait, guys, until you're 50, 60, 70 to try to live. 20s, 30s, and 40s is when you're supposed to make the most money. From 29 to 40, no, from 21 to 49 is when you make the most money. From 50 until you die is when you're supposed to live, chill, take care of your grandbabies, go to the spa, stuff like that. You feel it, Auntie? So in your 20s, 30s, and 40s is when you're supposed to make the most money. Because you're young, and you have the stamina, and you have the energy. But when you're 50, 60, and 70, you don't have the energy anymore. You don't have the stamina anymore. Feel my drift? It's my uncle. Uncle Kwame. Uncle Kwame. Hey, Uncle Kwame. Hey, Uncle Kwame.
Hey.
So live your best life now, guys. Not wait until you're 70 to do this, because it won't make sense.
And you don't have to wait till you get old like me either.
Huh? We need to go back to the hotel and take showers and get ready for dinner. Huh? Well, I'll figure out if everybody going. I'll just put my white on. Huh? Okay. Well, we need to go home. Are you going to the white party? We have a white party tonight. Oh, we think you had a white outfit. Great. MyOwnEconomy.com.